This week we have a Gen 2 Raptor that we're working on. Down here we've got this lower bumper fascia wrapped in satin black 3M. And down here we've got the skid plate taken off, getting it prepped up for paint. Along the sides here we've also got the wheels taken off, getting them prepped up for a nice coat of satin black paint as well. And along the back side here, you've got these taillights, nice and blacked out, smoked already, making this truck look nice and all clean. In this bay, we've got a nice Chevy Silverado getting a 6-inch lift. Afterwards, we're going to be slapping on these wicked extreme off-road wheels, wrapped in some Venom Power Terra Hunters. Should look awesome when we're done with it.
How's it going, folks? It's your host, Does the Most over here. Today we got ourselves a Gen 2 Ford Stegosaurus Raptor. A Ford Raptor, that's my bad. I don't know all my dinosaurs yet. First off, follow me, we got ourselves a new painted skid plate underneath here. Blends in real nice, makes that look real aggressive, all blends together. Oh yeah, and she's louder than the Velociraptor, I can tell you that much. Then we painted the wheels, you know, black. Painted the wheels a satin black, give it, you know, a real nice matte look to it. Oh, she's still shiny though. She's still looking pretty, I can tell you that much. We got ourselves a nice old dandy smoke tail light session over here. We just tint the tail lights real nice and dark. Light's still pretty bright though. That wraps it up for first truck of the week. We got a beautiful Ford Raptor, a great start. Got a Silverado coming up, so stay tuned for that. Also, a little birdie told me that 98% of our viewers aren't subscribed. So how about you go down there and hit that subscribe button. If you haven't yet, go check out the new merch. We got lots of awesome clothes to show you. And stay cool, stay wild. Go ride a horse.
So we have this beautiful McLaren 570GT. This is a daily driven vehicle from one of our good customers. This gets rained on, snowed on, driven in the winter, driven down gravel. This is going to be the perfect example of what a ceramic coating can do for your vehicle. Check this out.
Alright guys, in the tint bay today we have a 2019 Audi Q8 getting some tint done. 20% on the front and then 55 on the rest of the back. I'm honestly a big fan of silver with black accents, so this thing should look awesome when we're done with it.
Doing a leather kit on a Sequoia that doesn't want to cooperate with me, but I think we found a solution. Put in some heated seats in the front and a Home Link garage door opening mirror.
Just finished up with the 6-inch lift from Rough Country. We got a Flowmaster exhaust going in, and then black badges, and she's good to go.
We just finished up with this daily driven McLaren 570 GT full paint correction and ceramic coating. Look how awesome this thing looks now compared to what it looked like before.
Are we harmonizing or are we?
Yeah, do I need to play it so that we're, we know what we're doing? Luckily, I already had it playing.
Oh, that's my ringtone.
I did, I already had it playing. I was playing in the car. Oh.